Alright, well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright, I got something here today, you know what, because, we got the young man today, that's only 15 years, you know what, 15 years old, want to learn English today. His name Pratama, want to learn English here. We will support him, you know what, little by little, because, English is very, very important nowadays. Alright, today I'm going to explain or share my idea about is that good or not living in Indonesia than compared to other country. Alright, talking about Indonesia. Until now, I do love Indonesia so much. Very totally 1,000,000% living in Indonesia, very totally awesome. Because my grandma, my grandpa, from Indonesia, exactly Aceh. 1620 at the time. That's the first time occupying Indonesia at the time. They get land in Batavia at the time. They got everything about mirror, gold, resources from Indonesia, very totally awesome from Indonesia. 340 years, Netherlands occupying Indonesia. But Aceh just only 65 years. But can you imagine that? And now, if I have opportunity, somebody invited me to going abroad, I don't want to going abroad or living abroad. Example, United States or United Kingdom, Australia. But I have a dream, if I have opportunity going abroad, like Australia or United States, just, a few years, just only 5 years or 10 years, just, looking for experience there. When I back home, my village, Aceh exactly, I'm gonna live here and that in Aceh. Because, Aceh is something. For me, Indonesia, very totally wonderful country, and that has 17,700 islands, and then 4,600 local languages. Can you imagine that? Local languages in the world, one word. In worldwide nowadays, very many languages worldwide nowadays. It's only in Indonesia, local languages. So I do appreciate, I do love Indonesia so much, and that if comparing with other country, I'm going to choose Indonesia. I do love Indonesia. That's my time. That's my experience. That's my idea sharing about Indonesia. Because one day, if I going abroad, not only Australia, Europe, but also United States, I'm going to bring Indonesia, Indonesian people, very intelligent people, very totally kind people, very pushable people. That's my time. It's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.